Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create and modify grids and levels in Revit. First, create grids. Step 1. Open Level 1 view. Step 2. Select Grid from Architecture tab, under Datum panel. Step 3. Using the straight line selection, hover over the view near the west wall until it becomes highlighted in the center of the wall and an X appears. Step 4. Click the first point and click the second point to complete grid line 1. Step 5. To complete the remaining grid lines, you can copy or continue drawing grid lines based on the imported image. Step 6. To copy, select the Revit grid line 1 that you just made. Select the copy tool and click a point and specify the second point to the next grid line. Step 7. You should use dimension, shortcut DI to specify the distance between grid lines. Step 8. Continue to copy all north and south grid lines. Step 9. If the grid bubble and numbers are too big, you can update the view scale by clicking Scale. For the Eames House project, use 3/8 inches equals 1 foot. Step 10. Create a horizontal new grid for east and west. And update the grid name to A and complete east and west grids. Step 11. Your grid lines and dimensions can be locked. Step 12. Open North View and adjust the grid line heights by dragging and drop the edge of the grid line. And repeat this for West View. Second, create and modify levels. Step 1. We will now make levels. Begin by navigating to the south elevation in the project browser. Adjust the length of the level by dragging and drop the edge of the level line. Repeat this for east elevation view. Step 2. After you have confirmed that levels 1 and 2 are set to the correct elevation, you can add additional levels. To adjust the elevation number, click on the number and type in the correct elevation. Note, level 2 will be 9 feet minus 7 inches higher than level 1. Step 3. Add a roof level. Select Level from Architecture tab, under Datum panel. Or, type LL. Click the left corner of the level and click the second point to finish the command. Rename roof. Click OK in the window pop-up and change view name accordingly. Adjust the height to 18 feet 5½ inches. Step 4. If you copy, shortcut, CO, the level from the existing level, the view will not be created. Create ground, level 1 ceiling, and level 2 ceiling, the symbol is the black color. Step 5. Update the view scales. 3/16 inches equals 1 foot for all elevations. 3/8 inches equals 1 foot for floor plans and ceiling plans. I hope this introduction tutorial clarifies how to create and modify grids and levels in Revit. Thank you.